Twasomi omwancho murigereria bwigeteseni kia Ndizi TV na ndene Jumapili ngia nyegenete ngari tukoria nigo rigenderete koba riororo kerode ritukoria 10 omutenyino yo kane omwaka w'ekiri 2022 ni ariganirie kuruga igase studio egera nkumanya senchera yo bwenge na araria yagenderete gwateka imena isiko yorgongo rwagusi gendera gutobwatia konyora yaigamuna yanda mange wetera senchera yo mitandao buna Ndizi TV News asensemo ya Facebook na boigo Ndizi TV News asensemo ya YouTube kwira nande asegekeke kirebo nje nigongoro kwa Sara Nyarangi ontita nande na kwareganirie asenchira ya bene chikanisa ao chirase district ya Menyenya nigo litukuri igoro bakureta maigerio igoro yesabate nchenu amona mangananda mange arenge asomoroberio yo abange na wetani achimisano na ibere nigo baikiranete asekanise yo ya Menyenya asomoroberio yo nyara ko bagukoira egeka kya matuko atato abwase omorandia Robert Achoki aba omokwaneri ase abanginabo niko baigo baireteri bagerio ria bene na wakangambia mono asokonyora maigeria yo na bangina gochamo magega yebinyinyi bya COVID-19 gotenenia emesangerekano asigika bono tigango turarigereria robotioru
Manager Robert Achoki Morandia Oborangi District Tumbe Station na inche naona arengo ya mubwa bakwane aseri turite ya ira matuka tatu na tukirese ni bere lesson ye sabat ne lesson ya stewardship wa bere to kwegeramo sabat ga twegeri bunanya ire ya nyasaye na ro mutongi na ro muboria na ndi na ro toiranirie asitu asirete korwa sabat ye yaye nande telionde nande gebwata maseniwa ebwata gwachenwa ebwata gwataranwa edetu abantu banyasaye igekara to goje sabatase sabato etokuna koyona nyasaye no mutongi ito nyasaye nero gotochena nande twatigara kobana maseniwa
nincho yo muri kuna gosaberengente kengo monene gatukora nche korone sire tumerane kuna bakungu tomentu chinguru cyo gokora emiremo yes ataraira na sense aigara abantu bose bamwikere so incho manyane amangana pasta twegereti igoro yoko bege tongweke ya ime ya Kristo Yesu nekaro kwa berege tongweke ya makia mangana yago konya kwa rosu wa matuwa amana Nyasaye ilikuwa ni changamoto nzuri kwangu
wego kirie asoko ba mogaiga abagina barenge angemia saba wego kiria se chinchera kyose kyare tobwate egebindi ya family life ogo saba stewardship amona Bible study na ne sermon asa oito konyire twarorire asa oito nainda asoboya kona botota ete koiranerio mutongi oitombi amana ainde ngiraneria abagani bali baitabete asingijogo cha okoria bangina abese minambi amana nainde nabonta ete koiranerio munyakero goito ngambi amana ekiagera igaro muntu oyubwanjete obokoreri gaindo okururi bagaso obokoreri
Ekiombe kia banyagitari ya Kenya Practitioners Pharmacist and Dentist Union KMPDU imeyo mucho Nairobi bono nigo besokirie abwase bakwimurunganiria okonyore besenke abwase wizara yobochenu yanyara kwegwa chibesa chire chibilioni emieyemo 45 nugutaisano na isatu aso mwaka bw'echibesa bw'echiri 2022 korengana n'abanyagitari abo nigo batebire budget ya somo bangwiga nigo bone ko bauniriria ase batebire bese chonchi goisana boikiranu asokolikano nyina abanyagitari ekwena kiwabuna chinsemo ao nigo chikete abanyagitari nigo baigo batebire eye nigere maminchano kuiwana okuba begete seine serikali abwase bya chalenge weika ekerengo gi 15 igoro yemia korengana na barabo bese chonchi geti ekerengekyo.
If you look at the percentage we have this year, we've actually gone down with 2%. In 2021, 2022, the percentage of healthcare was at 6%. This year, if you look at the overall budget, the percentage for healthcare is 4.4%, which is actually way low. Meaning that there's no any plans, even if you had the budget being read, to employ any healthcare workers in any of the facilities in the country.
Declaration states that we need 15% of the entire budget allocated to healthcare, and this was not a willy-nilly decision. It was well thought out that 15%, if allocated by any particular country to healthcare, that will be adequate to cover their populace. Having said that, we should not be content by good, right? If good is not good enough, then we shouldn't be content with it. Not unless if you're saying that the healthcare in this country is at a very...
Mwaziri wechisemi Professor George Magoha nikobona akiraisi kobo tumeki wechisimi abwasa baorokia bali bagocharokia gosekomakia amate mwakirasi 12 yo mwako yoiga abwasa tebirebuna obuibi bwa matemwa nigobogokoreka anene gwetera senchira yechisimi chingakie checho nigatebire wizara yechisemi nigoyanyara kobage konyora shilingi chibilioni chimeisano 44 abwasa tebire chigo tumekwa asenchira yobwene no bwasioku nigoboiga genderere goteba bunomorobelio OCBC weikogenderere abwasa bolire babwatani bonsi bechisemi koyosira.
So we will make sure that none of this money, when I am the one at the top here, is used for anything else. The cost of that classroom is 788,000. Okay. Do a survey and you will find out that we have saved about 500,000 shillings per classroom. We must buy food for the children. As the government changes, the year starts, we must buy food for the children. Sidio? I will not sit in the office to wait for food to be bought. Mimi nitaangalia chakula inanunuliwa wapi, ni lori gani inaibeba, imepeleka kwa shule gani, na watoto nitaongea nao direct wamekula ama hawajakula.
Omuliki wekiombe kia bakoli mirimo imense ya Kenya gosekotu Francis Atwoli bono nigo atuguteirare omorobelio bwo mokonyi bwo maraibwense Dr. William Ruto morobelio manyekanete buna bottom up economic approach model abwatebire okuno kungaina ba Kenya na omorobelio yotoligo chikonyara koba kogwikirana Atwoli nigabolire ba Kenya koba abaikiranu gosekoba bangaini asogochora baraibali barachi kobaikiraneria amagenderero nigaya kwaneta ya litukuri igoro chingaki aikiraneta segikaro kyokorobelia omorobelio bweri tukuri neneria bakori emirimo gosele badei oyogo chagokoreka etalikia ya momotinyo gatano ase egeti kiechigosori kia Nyayo Stadium.
Ambia bottom hapa na kutukana wewe ni matusi, because nobody would like to see what is down at the bottom. You cannot empower a poor person using a poor person. The only one way to grow economy is only one way. To put proper policies that can spur general economic growth. Mambo ya licensing ya biashara, kutoa pesa mingi, kwa hiyo mwegezaji akikuja aingie leo anapatiwa permit ama barua ya kumwezesha kufanya biashara na kuishi Kenya na kuestablish. Awe na uhuru wa kutengeneza pesa na kutoa. Awe na nafasi ya kuleta, na wewe serikali yako iwe na nafasi ya kuleta companies. That is the only way. We have beautiful coast at the coast with good beaches, white sand. And we are not using that to grow.
Chomorobelio yu nigogo koreka ange nasiba korwa. Tikatanyora roboti urwa senchira yobuikirano.
Arrangement that operators have are matters that we've already discussed with them. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I'll now open the floor for the second batch of questions. If you've asked a question, I will not pick your hand up for the time being. I'll start with the ones who have not asked a question. So let's have new faces, new hands, so that we give, yes, the lady. We give everybody a chance. Thank you.
Thank you. My name is Gena Kirori from NTV. I have 3 questions. Number one, there seems to be a bit of a contradiction between what the telecommunicators are saying and the communications authority, so I just want some clarification. Yesterday, Mr. DG, you said that a photo is not necessary.
Behind Mark, please stand up.
Ekiwana ne kiombe keligia okwerania mangana imense ito ya Kenya kigenderete kwiraniria mabulio ocha sabali kiba mangana abwase keligetie korusio botutukano igoro ngambantoki bagwenerete kolikia chilaini chiabo kurende abuli tangani nigo kiabeta buna abantu bonsi banyara ko bakwelikia kurende talibo igo mbali bagurire chisimu kadi chinya baligetie kolikia chisimu kadi echo eligotanga obuibi korwase chisimi ao mwancho muligereria gosika gochibosio nelinga abachori obokewe kiama kia ODM me county ya Mombasa nigo bwakoregete litukulia igoro kurinde obotutukanu nigo bwenegetigwe aroro abwase abamenyi batebete buna abantu bande nigo barusetigwe chinsemo chinde eligo kugania kuborokereria abakenya asibagwenerete gwaka ekura yabo eyemagega yomorai bwenso moske Uhuru Kenyatta komosira omorai bwe kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga ase Justin Muturi aboliria abakenya kwegwa libaga na gwechorera barai bali baroche barache kubaikiraniria amagenderero bosio bobochorio bonene. Muturi nigaya kwaneta ya litukule igoro chingaki aumiranete na bomo bwa Kenya kwanza na magega yaye kubekese iyo koiwana abwase bona beire oyomo bwa bali ase obo gose bali ase obomo bwa Kenya kwanza imiyemo cho Nairobi abu igoro
should deceive themselves that by whatever machinations, whatever designs, they are going to coerce and intimidate Kenyans from the path of self-actualization, which I dare say will be realized on the 9th of
na wekirabo mwancho muligereria na nkubutulira mangana Amayia Chinsa isano na ibere chabona mubaso kurende toma chakomera naende na inche chikoraga Chinsa Ikomi chabona mogoroba nchigo kumanya ayo amana yanda mange asenchira yobwenge karonkoruga igo mwancho muligereria ninganetie nkoira ya mase ya mogwika asomo baganyo o Camel Park abwa somorobelio bwa bana ogendrete abwa sabana bakogosole chigosoli ao buna kotimana koragera bwangu wa kontimbu nabaigo emechieso emenge yogendrete asomobaganyo Camel Park echinsa bune chiga kurende nigongwa kangambia mono ucha se producer ne John Kibati oyo manyirenga amariogi ne chibicha ngo wekera ra senchira